Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to get 3D bitmoji on the Snapchat. So if you want to get it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and log into your account. On the left top you will see profile icon, just click on it. Now you are in your profile. Once you will do it, after that you have to click on the create my avatar, just click on it. Once you will do it, you have to select your gender, and you can create avatar with your face using your camera, or you can simply skip from the right top. And now you can select your skin and hairstyle and whatever you want to. And once you will select all of these, simply you have to click on the save. Once you will do it, you have to select the clothes, as you can see. Okay, once you will do it, after that simply click on the save again. Once you will complete this process, you will be able to get the 3D bitmoji on the Snapchat. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment, I will try to help you.